Hello, guys, and welcome back to this English Comprehension Listening exercise. This exercise is called Taking Care of Yourself. At the end of this exercise, there will be 3 vocabulary questions and 3 grammar questions for you to answer to see if you comprehended this English listening exercise. Don't forget, guys, to like and share my page and also subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Take care of yourself. Valerie studies at a big university. At the same time, she maintains a full-time job so that she can pay for her tuition and her living expenses. So Valerie spends most of the day at the office where she works. Then she goes to class 3 days a week. Valerie also stays up late at night studying for her classes. Valerie does not do any physical exercises. Between work and the university, she is so busy that she thinks she does not have time for any physical activity. Sadly, Valerie rarely eats homemade meals. Valerie usually just grabs a bag of potato chips or a hamburger as she leaves her job to take the bus to the university where she studies. Since she is convinced that she does not have time to make a healthy dinner when she gets home, Valerie eats a lot of pizzas that she orders over the phone. After dinner, Valerie starts studying and preparing for her homework assignments from the university. Valerie does not sleep very much because of it. Valerie feels grumpy when she wakes up early in the mornings, and she is irritable at work. After her long day, she feels tired in class, and it's hard for her to concentrate. To make matters even worse, Valerie keeps getting sick. This makes her miss work and classes a lot. She is miserable. Valerie just wants to feel good. Her grades start to go down because she's always sick. As she thinks about her whole life situation, Valerie gets so frustrated that she does not even want to study at the university anymore. During her midterm break, Valerie decides to make some big changes. First, she learns how to make some easy, healthy recipes. Valerie actually finds that she saves a lot of money by preparing her food herself, and the food tastes much better also. After an early dinner and some quiet reading, Valerie goes to bed early every night now. Now, Valerie really feels refreshed in the mornings. She then decides to give something else a try. Valerie's office is not really so far from her university. So one day, after work, Valerie tries walking to the university. As she walks down the street, looking at all the people, the shops, and the movement in the city, Valerie remembers how much she hates being stuck on that bus in traffic. In fact, Valerie finds that she can get to class almost as fast by walking. And Valerie is so much happier when she arrives at her university. When the semester begins, Valerie maintains her healthy habits. She sets time aside on the weekends to study and to do her homework assignments from the university. Because Valerie is sleeping and eating better now, she can finally concentrate and needs to spend much less time studying. It's a huge improvement. Valerie saves money on food and transportation. She has much more energy now. Valerie feels less stressed, and her grades are even improving. Valerie is glad she finally started to take care of herself. Now she finally enjoys all of her different activities and feels happy about her life. Now guys, these are the vocabulary questions. 3 vocabulary questions. Number 1, what does tuition mean? A, the money you pay to live in an apartment. B, the money someone pays you to work for them. C, the money you pay to a university to study there. Or D, the money a university gives you to help you study. The answer is C, the money you pay to a university to study there. Did you get that? Number 2, what does grumpy mean? A, upset and irritable. B, confused. C, energetic. Or D, tired. The answer is A, upset and irritable. Did you get that? Number 3, what does healthy mean? A, good for your body. B, good for your emotional state. C, good for your mental state. Or D, all of the above. The answer is D, all of the above. Did you get that? Here are the 3 grammar questions. Valerie decides A, to walk to class. B, walking to class. C, walk to class. Or D, walked to class. The answer is A, Valerie decides to walk to class. Did you get that? Number 2, Valerie keeps A, having sick. B, getting sick. C, being sick. Or D, doing sick. The answer is B, getting sick. Did you get that? Number 3, Valerie is so much A, happy when she arrives. B, happiest when she arrives. C, more happy when she arrives. Or D, happier when she arrives? And the answer is D. She is so much happier when she arrives. Well, thank you for listening to this English comprehension listening exercise. Please, guys, like and share my page, and also subscribe to this English comprehension listening exercise. It will be greatly appreciated. Until next time, have a good day, okay?